This tutorial is for parents and students to log into EPIC at home. EPIC is a reading and literacy program for kids to use. The first thing you'll be doing is you will have a class login instruction, and I've sent it home in the mail as well as in email to parents' emails. And with your student, please go through steps 1 through 3. We'll do this in the tutorial together. So the first step is to go to kids.getepic.com/students. So we'll do that right here. Kids.epic getepic.com/students. And it should take you to a page that asks you to enter your class code. And on this screen, you will find the class code in the sheet that has the directions. Also, you'll have the same one in this tutorial in case you lose that. For this class, the class code is ZUL 3122. And then you will click Go. Okay, as you see here, there will be a list of the students in the classroom. You will click on your student, or if you are the student, you will click on your name, and you will be able to open it and access EPIC. I'll just click on, for the demonstration, I'll click on AJ's. Okay, so what will pull up is for you, it is recommended books to read that is at your student's reading level or at your reading level. And that is based on input from the classroom teacher and their students' star scores. So you are able to check to see what books are available at your reading level. And if you don't know your student's reading level, please contact the classroom teacher. So what should happen is you will have the Lexile reading level, and all of the books that are shown are accessible to you. And it's between the lowest and the highest area that you can go for your Lexile level. So it's not going to be exact. If you want to read something that's a little bit harder, you can read it to you. You can read it because it has this read to me feature. It also has comics, and it has in some of them you can read to have them read aloud. And like for this one, for example, if you want to mark it, you can like it, you can press the heart button, and it's added to your library favorites. If you only want to look at books that can be read aloud, there's this feature here, and it has all of the recommended top picks that can be read aloud. These are based on what you've selected or what the student has selected up until this point. So if you are just starting out, it will give you recommended books that are in general. but the more you pick and choose books, like let's say if you like more skateboarding, BMX, uh, horror, scary books, then it'll show on here. And it also has, so we can click on, well, first let me show the videos. The videos are often how to, so how to draw a black cat. And there's also, and they're under genre. There's comedies that you can watch, and just videos about social emotional learning and science videos. There's lots of different videos that you can watch, and these are all through Epic, and they are not through YouTube. There are no ads or anything like that. And there's no comments being left or anything like that. And then there is audiobooks. So there are a lot of audiobooks that are available to students that they can play at home and listen to. And a lot of them are also um, books on the core academic levels like science, math, and reading that are they're doing in the classroom. So if the classroom is studying, for example, plants in science, there are books that can help support that uh, subject area. So like I said, when I clicked on like for the last book, um, it will be saved in my library. And so then here you'll see, okay, there it is, Super Potato. And I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like when you do click on the book. So you see how long the book is if it's 54 pages. This one's 54 pages, and it gives you a summary of what the book's about to see if you think it sounds good. And then after you read the book, you can earn badges. And the badges have different uh, quantities. So if you read a really challenging book, you can get bonus points for that one. If you read a longer book, you can get points for that one as well. And you can check and see what each category is. So that one was for the number of books read. And it also gives you the age range and if there is a quiz at the end. And oftentimes when an assignment will be given from the teacher, there will be a quiz at the end to check to see if the student has read the book. So an example of, I'm not sure if there is um, a book that's been assigned, um, but oftentimes teachers will be able to assign books for, let's see, for students. Okay, it looks like there isn't any for this one right here, but there might be, and that will be a different tutorial of how to finish or how to complete an assignment that a teacher has given students for homework. So that is a tutorial for how to log into Epic.